Hi there, my name is Michael Martins from internet-com. You're welcome to my DFY Suite 2.0 review. In this video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the DFY Suite and all the awesome features, the prices, the upsell, and everything you need to know. But first off, let's go with the intro. Booyah! Alright, just before we dive in, I have a couple of awesome bonuses for you if you choose to buy with a link in the description below. Get these amazing bonuses. One of my bonuses is the SEO Workshop. I have the case study. I have profitable niches in the year 2020. I have a free download of Schema Lite, which is one of the fastest WordPress themes out there. And I have an Mp3 and PDF of ways to get more eyes to your content, and I have 9 million articles, which is my sixth bonus, so you can start creating your content ASAP. All you have to do is hit the link in the description below and hit the access button here and get these bonuses. Now let's dive in. Now, what is the DFY Suite 2.0? The DFY Suite 2.0 is an improved version of the DFY Suite 1.0. Basically, it's just a software that actually syndicates your content and helps you boost rankings to your website. Now, you might be asking, what is content syndication? Content syndication is basically when your article, which was originally posted on your blog, gets reposted on another website word for word. It could be an article, it could be a video, but it gets reposted on another website. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, the truth is, when you do this on these websites with higher domain authority and page rankings, they also send links back to your website, and this gets you more rankings on Google. Now, trust me, doing this is going to be a very big pain in the neck, and you don't want to go through that. And that's where the DFY Suite 2.0 comes into play. With a few clicks, you can start driving targeted buyer traffic from YouTube and Google straight to your website. The DFY Suite 2.0 was created by this guy here called Joshua Zamora, and he is a premium JVZoo seller and a premium JVZoo affiliate, as he's been endorsed by so many other affiliates, and they know him as an authority in the internet marketing niche. So after his successful launch of the DFY Suite 1.0, he's back here right now with the DFY Suite 2.0. Now, DFY Suite 2.0 is an improved version of 1.0, which was launched last year in 2019. The 1.0 kicked off with social bookmarks and wiki sites as syndication platforms, but in this version, blogging and Web 2.0 syndication has been added to the network to make it extremely powerful tool for ranking your content. Now, let's listen to Joshua Zamora and understand how the software works.
Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with a quick demo video of my brand new Done For You Suite platform. Now, Done For You Suite will allow you to get free targeted buyer traffic in 48 hours or less by leveraging the power of high quality social syndication with this brand new Done For You system, okay? So yes, you can now leverage the power of page one rankings via social syndication with no software to install, no software training to learn, no previous SEO knowledge or experience, no social account creation needed, no content needed besides your URL, no proxies or captchas needed, none of that stuff, okay? We've simplified the entire social syndication process so that anyone can tap into the power of page one rankings, even if you suck at SEO or are brand new to the subject. And the best part is that you'll be able to use Done For You Suite to rank your videos on page one, to do some quick launch jacking for some quick commissions, to rank your niche sites, rank your e-commerce sites, rank your Amazon listings, rank your client sites, rank your clients' videos, since we're going to be including our agency license on the front end so that you can use Done For You Suite for your clients. Pretty much you'll be able to use Done For You Suite to rank any URL you'd like to get traffic for, okay? Now, if you know anything about SEO, you know that there's pretty much 3 steps to the process: keyword research, optimization, and syndication and backlinking. Okay, for the most part, syndication and backlinking is always the toughest, the hardest, and the most time-consuming of all three steps. Okay, it's the one thing that usually stops people from achieving the results that they're looking for, which is page one rankings, because of the process that it takes. Okay, for the most part, you have to purchase a software that allows you to do the syndication. You have to go through all the tutorial videos and learn how to use it. You have to actually provide content and write content for each campaign that you submit. You have to create social accounts, and usually it's about 25, 30, or 40, or even 50 accounts that you have to create to be able to start using the software. You have to pay for captchas, and you have to pay for proxies to be able to get a good success ratio. With Done For You Suite, you don't have to do any of that, okay? So let me quickly show you how simple this is, okay? All you literally have to do is come in here, hit Create Campaign. Once you're on the campaign creation screen, all you literally have to do is fill out these three options here at the top, set your settings here at the bottom, and you're good to go. It's literally that simple to start getting high quality social syndication to your content without you having to do anything else but fill out this information here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do demo video. I'm going to go ahead and input a URL here that I have already copied, and you can enter multiple URLs here. This is very powerful because there are multiple YouTube URLs that you can use for one video, and many times you can switch those around to get better results. So you can build links to both the HTTPS version and the non-HTTP version. You can build links to the shortened version as well, but that's just a topic for another day. So I'm just going to leave those two videos there for now. The keywords, I'm just going to put demo 1, demo 2, and demo 3, and so you'll be able to put as many keywords as you want so that you can get traffic for as many keywords as you want, since we all know that one video can rank multiple for multiple keywords, and same goes with niche sites. You can always rank one piece of content for multiple different keywords. So here we also have the option for you to allow us to run the content for you. So this is what I meant when I said that you don't need any content at all, since we'll provide the content for you. However, if you're dealing with a client that prefers to actually provide the content, I know that attorneys usually like to do that, chiropractors, medical professionals, people that like to protect the content that's being posted about them, they usually like to have control of that. So if you're dealing with a client like that, you can just turn this off and provide us with the content that you'd like for us to use. If not, just turn it on and we'll provide the content for your campaigns. Here you'll also be able to select the amount of links that we built to your videos or niche sites. Okay, you can do 25, 50, or up to 100 with your pro account, and if you upgrade, then you'll be able to do up to 300. Okay, now you also get the ability to drip feed up to 21 days. Okay, so depending if you're using a niche site, if you're submitting a niche site and it's a brand new site, you may want to spread out the drip feed a little longer. Here we have the option for you to index the links that we built for you even more. So if you want to provide that, if you want us to do that for the links that we built for you, all you have to do is turn this on. Now this is an upgrade feature which unlocks our indexer. And to turn it on, all you have to do is just flip this switch here, and we'll perform additional indexing to the links that we build on each of the campaigns that you want this done for. Okay, now once you fill everything else, all of this out, you click create, and that is it. From there, we will start performing high quality social syndication and wiki syndication to your content, and once it's completed, you'll be able to download in two different formats so that you can either provide it as a report to your client if you are dealing with clients, or so you can do some additional indexing yourself or whatever it may be. But here you see it's posting. Once it's done posting, it'll say completed and you're good to go. It is that simple to come in here and use Done For You Suite for your content to start getting page one rankings without you having to do any of the work yourself. We have completely simplified the process of getting high quality social syndication without having to learn any complicated software or having to pretty much do anything, okay, but do what I just showed you.
Now, to get access to DFY Suite 2.0, the prices range from $47 to $67. Now, do keep in mind there are a couple of one-time offers after your first purchase on the front end. These one-time offers are standalone products and do not really prevent your access to the DFY Suite 2.0. Okay, let's talk about the first upsell. The first upsell is all about the ability to lock in credits out on a monthly basis. This starts with a $1 trial, but it gives you the opportunity to actually lock in the credits at a cheaper rate now, because this software actually works with a credit system. So what it does is, for one credit you get one syndication. So this upsell basically gives you the opportunity to lock in the credits at a cheaper rate now, and the price is between $47 to $67 a month. Okay, let's talk about the second upsell. Now, the second upsell is a DFY indexer platform, which goes for the price of $97. Now, what this does is basically supercharge your campaigns by unlocking the DFY indexer system. So it gives you more punch for your rankings. Now, the third upsell is a special offer for My Video Spy, which goes for $67. Now, My Video Spy is a powerful platform that allows you to basically uncover untapped niches and analyze your competitors and all that stuff. It's a perfect fit if you want to complete the entire search traffic circle. Last but not least, upsell. Now, that's the access to Video Chief. Now, Video Chief is a membership site of over 1,200 done-for-you videos, so you can use it right away to boost your rankings on YouTube. And the team behind DFY gets this done for you. All right, now you might want to know if DFY Suite has free bonuses attached to the front end. Yes, it does. One of the bonuses is the agency rights to DFY Suite. The second bonus is the sub syndicator feature, which comes with 3 licenses, $197 value. The third bonus is the automatic done-for-you video embeds for even faster video rankings. Fourth bonus is the keyword bootcamp training. The fifth bonus is the live client attraction bonus training. And the sixth bonus is the perfect optimization blueprint. All these bonuses come packaged with the DFY Suite, and that is apart from the free bonuses I'll be giving you. Also, DFY Suite comes with 100% risk-free guarantee. So if you're not satisfied in a couple of days, you have the right to actually ask for your money back. So this is actually worth a trial. Now, what are my final thoughts about the DFY Suite 2.0? Now, the DFY Suite 2.0 promises to rank your websites in 48 hours. This is a good software. I think it can get the job done, but do not expect quick results in a very short time. Now, it takes as much as 6 months and a minimum of 3 months to start seeing your pages rank on the top of Google. But DFY Suite promises to do that in 48 hours. Now, I don't think that's realistic, but it's worth a shot. I believe personally that it can syndicate my content, but I don't think it can be so quick in 48 hours. I don't know, that's just my thoughts. Alright, thank you so much for watching the video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and get more notifications anytime I release more review videos on products launching soon. Until next time, I want to thank you so much for watching my video. Peace out.